Meaning of horde.
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 Horde. The word horde refers to a large group or crowd of people or animals that move together. It typically carries a connotation of disorder or chaos due to the sheer size and unorganized nature of the group. The term can be used in both a positive or negative context, such as a horde of friendly fans at a concert versus a horde of aggressive protesters on the street. Overall, horde implies a sense of overwhelming presence and energy that can be either exhilarating or intimidating depending on the circumstances.